What are you doing? You were climbing in that little box. Leave Daddy's stuff alone back there. That's just paperwork. Daddy's working on his desk and trying to clean it up. No, leave that alone, buddy. It's Daddy's paperwork. Zachary. Sneaky little boy. What is it that you have to have? Oh, you see Daddy with baby Emma? Oh. While you're down there, take a look at that thing. It says H&R Block. Don't ever go there. Yeah, that's Emma. Daddy and Emma. Come on. Come on. Get out of it. Come on. Oh, there you go.